Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my time.
Hey besties, welcome back to our YouTube channel and to the new besties, welcome.
So today we're going to an air show. And we're going to take you through it. We're going to show you what happens there. Air show is the place where I got my demons. I'm wearing a Makoti dress now. Yeah. So now we're gonna bath.
I just woke up.
Now I'm gonna bath. Yeah. So we're just gonna prepare and go. We have like 1 hour to prepare. So.
Okay, so we're done.
So besties, we're done now and we're leaving. So come with us.
Weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Yeah.
And you was first time. And get a big candle.
Oh, bro. So we packed frozen yogurt and bananas and apples. So now we just want to buy snacks.
Okay, fine. It's all good.
So now we're going on a bus. Are we gonna have to pay here? Because we don't have cash. So we just arrived and some people are actually leaving.
But most Africans are coming in.
Yeah, like Africans are coming in, whites are coming out. Yo, I don't know if we're late or what, but we're here.
They've got 8 wheels, it's an 8x8 vehicle. They can carry 4 members, or either they can carry up to 8 members on them.
Moving on the edge now.
There are medical personnel going to
Hey
work by doctors.
besties.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's not that bad.
So much for a long and the bomb.
Wow,
So hectic. It's actually nice. Except it's really hot. It's nice. It's too hot. But at least we have the small umbrella. So we'll hide under the umbrella. A lot of people didn't bring umbrellas. I don't know how they're surviving. Some of them didn't even bring like something to sit on. They're just sitting on sand.
Lifted or to safer areas.
Yeah, we just
Yeah,
go.
Ja, Rico sponsor met het speciaal.
Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet.
That beautiful, beautiful heart, bringing you lots of love.
Graduated, I was overdue. Pink Miley, I can barely move. That's a battle. I'm gon' bust a move. Red James, 33 chains, 30. Ocean Ave, cruising Biscayne. Yeah, top off, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big fun. Represent, yeah, gotta represent. Hey, chase it.
So besties, everything here is so expensive, hey? These ice creams were 50 rand. This
is usually
is like 5 rand. 50 rand ice cream, this. So you can imagine. But anyway, now we're taking a walk. I'll try to show you guys the view of everything. But yeah, we're taking a walk to see everything else.
How you did that? That look like a brand new booty. How you did that? You got face stones and over the watch. How you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet. Why you did that? How you yelling slash slash? How I kill a cat? Yeah, hopping around in a two-tone make back pillows in the back. Just got too many rounds and it fully act.
So, going home now.
Home now. We had a very nice day.
Yes.
But now it's time to go because
We've seen enough.
like we've had enough.
Yeah.
We're so used to being indoors, yo.
And honestly, like, we grew up experiencing things like this. Like, so this is like not so new to us. So that's the reason why we don't want to stay. We don't want to stay until the end of the show. To chill.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bought a pink, not a pill of Porsche. Push P. 3 keys, popcorn, Porsche.
So,
We're back home.
yeah.
And
We had a
there's
good
no
day.
demons that came back with us. We had a great day and yeah, can't complain. We're just too tired. So now I'm just gonna sleep. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, so please like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. And we'll see you on the next video.
Push a P, red band, and a card. Push a P.